really had a particular goal in mind when I started this channel. All right, guys. So, and I haven't been around for about a week. I've been actually taking a little bit of a break. I know my channel just started and everything, but I really had a particular goal in mind when I started this channel. I really wanted to bring good quality content and show everything that I was learning and show that people of all walks of life can change their lifestyle, change their eating habits, change their diet, change their exercise regime, and actually improve. There's been a lot going on in my life personally right now, outside of doing this channel, which I really want to focus on. I want to be able to bring good quality content, and I want to have stuff that actually inspires people and that is useful to people. Primarily that's useful to people, to help them rethink their diet, rethink their exercise, realize that it doesn't have to be, all out or nothing, and make sure that they understand that, hey, it's fun to do that way sometimes. I'm doing some of those types of things, but just to help people with the information that I can give them and the information that I can provide. That's why I'm posting this video, because I'm going to be gone for about 2 to 3 weeks. Right now I'm in the middle of a move. I work 2 jobs while I'm doing the channel, but adding the move on top of it just makes it a little bit, makes it a little too much. So I can't provide the quality and the content that I really want to provide. Just go over a couple of points when I come back. I'm going to do a relaunch of the channel. I've got a partner now, my wife, and she's going to be helping handle some of the things that I'm not able to handle as well. Some of the uploads, some of the edits, things like that she's really, really good at and that I'm not. As far as content goes, when I come back, I'm going to focus on 3 types of videos. Those are going to be workout videos, which are going to target different areas. I'm going to try doing ones with dumbbells, barbell, and body weight, and doing videos that show ways of targeting specific areas, maybe a different video for each thing, dumbbell, barbell, or body weight. I'm going to show full body weight workouts, workouts that people can do that are short, brief, just videos on different tips for working out and working out at home, working out, doing workouts with me where you're doing a workout that I'm doing, so it'll be the full workout, and just anything else that I can come up with that I think will be useful and helpful and cover the broadest number of people, because not everyone has a dumbbell or a barbell. Everybody has a squat rack, and everybody wants to do those kinds of exercises. Once a week will be exercise, once a week will be a challenge, and once a week will be a diet video. Also gonna be doing a bunch of challenges. The challenges are gonna be like food challenges, different exercise challenges, fitness challenges, personal challenges. The last one, area or subject matter for videos is gonna be diet. Now, when it comes to diet, I think there's a lot of ways to get the results that you're looking for. Me personally, I like the ketogenic diet, mostly because I like it. I like the food that you get to eat on it. I think there's quite a few health benefits that are outside of just weight loss, even though weight loss makes up the majority of those health benefits, no matter what diet you take. But I'm going to be giving tips on just dieting in general, and doing that. That's going to be a more research-based one. Do the research and then give you my take on the research. But that's it. So it's going to be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. There's not going to be a specific day that's going to be one type of video or the other, but I'm going to have one of the 3 each week, not a specific day. So it's not like Mondays are only exercise videos, Tuesday or Wednesdays, and then Fridays, are challenges and whatever. They'll be mixed in there, whatever I can come up with. And then I'm also launching the blog along with that. Well, relaunching the blog. So it's going to be a whole relaunch and branding once we get the move done. So it's going to be 2 to 3 weeks. I'm not going to be around. I'm still going to be filming so that I can keep up with some content and have some stuff available for once I get moved in. But once we get moved into the place, we'll see you guys again. Transition out of here.